Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Shift UI, gyms and fitness apps inside. Today we need to see this here the challenges tabs UI need to develop here and as well as need to connect here the challenges flow. First of all need to see this designs inside the XD files. Now need to open here the XD files. Now need to develop here the punch 5 weeks exercise like this. You need to give this here the challenge UI need to develop already. API calling times need to configure this data and to call this here, and today we need to complete this here the shift UI designs, and then after need to start this here the taxi app shift UI apps need to complete, and then after need to start this here the health gyms and fitness apps backends and API developing, so need to start here and also integrate inside the app. Let's first of all need to complete this here the UI. Now need to create here the top tab view. Inside we need to create here the new groups and to give this here the names as a challenges challenge like this, and also need to create here the new shift UI files tab view tab screen like this creates here, and to set this here the names. And first of all need to develop here the columns for this UI. Need to set here the grid item, and we need to set this here the examples remove here, and also need to set here the spacing at here the 15s. And now need to create here the two columns, that's why I need to give this here copy and to paste this here the columns. Now need to set this here the show list, to set here show detail, set here the flag as a false like this, and now need to set here the needed data, and also need to import here the needed image. First of all need to select here the assets, and we need to set here put this here the needed image here, and also need to select here the scales as a single scale like this sets here. Now need to close this here, and now need to set here the list array is equal to need to set here creating here the brackets, and now need to set here the titles subtitles and also image like this needs. Now need to copy and to paste here the 7 like this here. Now need to set here the titles and subtitles, set here the C1 image names, then after another's set here the 10 week, and set here the C2 image. Now need to set here the C3 C4 C5 C6 and 6 7 6 C8 like this sets, and to set here the 100 punch for 8 week, set here. Like this one by one, so we need to set here titles and subtitles for 5 week. This is the all are the challenges. Run 5 kilometers, and we need to set here the 5 weeks. 6 1 is the set here the 300 push up, and we need to set here subtitles 14 week. 7 ones we need to set here the 200 push up, set here the 10 week challenge. After last one is 100 push up, and we need to set this here the 10 as well. Like this, set here the array of the data. Like this, we need to write down here. Now we need to develop here the z text. Inside, need to set here the new hide. We need to need this here. Now set here the scroll view. Inside, we need to create here the lazy grid. Horizontal grids, we need to set this. Now set here the lazy vertical grids, and now need to pass this here the columns, and to give this here the column variables, and inside we need to set this here the contents, and also need to set here the spacing like this set here, and also need to see this here the canvas. We need to show here, load here the data, fix this here the syntax error 15, and load this here the data. Now we need to develop here the for each loop, and also need to set here one things bg navigation links, and to give this here the view workout plan, workout detail screen, and now need to set here dollar show detail. Now need to set here the data is equal to 0 to list array, set here the count, and now need to set here the id is equal to slash dot self, and inside we need to index in, need to set here. Now first of all need to get this here the objects is equal to, need to set this here the list array, and pass this here the index like this, need to get this here the data. Now need to develop here the buttons, actions, and labels. Need to set this here. Now set here the show details, set here the true like this, configure this here. Now we need to develop here the z stack, and we need to give this here the alignments, as we need to set this here the bottom leading, and remove here the contents, and create here content array. Inside need to set here the first of all, set here the image resource. Inside need to pass this here the object image value, need to pass here, as need to set here question mark like this, data are the configurations are the need this here, close this here, not here, set here the resizables. Then after need to set here the frame is equal to, need to pass this here the max width, set here the infinity, and also max height. We need to set here the infinity like this sets here for the resizables, and also need to set this here the aspect ratio, set here the ones, and we need to set this here the contents modes, need to set this here the fill, and need to set here value, set here the 1 like this. Configurations are the needs here, and to set this here like this, set here. Now need to show. Now load this UI are the duns, and first of all need to set here the padding, need to set here grids, inside need to set the all 15 like this configures, and to show like this here this UI, and also need to decorate this here the UI, need to set here first of all, need to set here the frame, copy this value, and to paste this here. Now need to set here the background, set color white, then after need to set here the corner radius 15s, and need to set this here the shadow radius to like this configure here. and we need to set this year's data. Now reloads and to show like this here the UI. Now need to develop here the wish tag. Inside we need to set here the titles and subtitles object. Pass this here the title. Fonts, set here custom font, and we need to set here the semi bold and to set here the 15 like this here, and to set here the max center. Same as now need to copy and to set here subtitles, and we need to set here the regular and to set here the 10 fonts like this sets here. Now we need to set here first of all the foreground color, primary text, then after we need to set here the padding, horizontal 8, then after padding vertical 4, and also need to set here the background colors, color primary up. Now need to set here the corner radius, set here the 15s and to pass this here the value, bottom left. Again now need to copy this corner radius and to paste this here, and now need to set here the 13, and need to set here the top right. And now also need to one more things configures here the paddings, set here the trailing and to set this here the 20 like this needs, and to configure this here. Now need to save this here these files and reload this data. Now need to configure this UR inside the top tab view. Now go and we need to configure here the top tab view screens like this sets here. Now need to go here, open here challenge screens and try to loads. Maybe not work here. Now need to run inside the simulator. Now top tab view loads are the done, and to select this here the challenges tabs. Now openings here similar to now compare with our XD file designs. Now need to open here and need to see this here. Look like this showing here the UI both are two similar show, and now need to click once and open this here the this bench press UI need to open, then click on introductions, open this introduction screens, then also need to check here the week wise exercise list. This is the total exercise, major exercise, minor exercise. Then after open here the week day wise the exercise list. If you completed, then to mark as a completed, and also the exercise details need to show this here likes. And this design shift UI inside are the done now. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.